Good morning, y'all. Good morning. It's probably not morning for you guys right now because I didn't post this in the morning, but it is, what time is it right now? It is 7:30 in the morning. I'm gonna be going to a car meet. It is called Cars and Coffee, and I'm gonna bring my car, but I'm not gonna bring any coffee. We're gonna see everybody with their face mask on, and we're all gonna look like we're about to rob the place, but we are not. Baba, go into the house, sir. You cannot go. This is so freaking nice. Okay, so I saw you at a light because I noticed the car, and then I saw that it was a girl, and I was like, what the heck? So I was like, I gotta catch up. So then I go to you, and I was like, oh my god, I like your car, and that's how we met.
I was like, shit, your car is bomb.
Thank you.
You know what? For your vlog, I'll air out for you.
Oh, okay. Oh, damn, look at this. Damn, she's Lolo. Oh my god. There's a cop. Like I said earlier, guys, we're about to go to a car meet. It was so crazy because I literally just met Ashley yesterday, and then we were gonna happen to go to the same meet. So it's freaking dope how it kinda just came about. I haven't been to Cars and Coffee in quite a while. I think it's been like 6 months, so it's been like a while. This time I'm rolling with a few people. Guys, we're coming over. We're coming over. Coming over. Woo. Got it. Woo. Randomly woke up, and then I went back to sleep and woke up at 6 again. What time is it right now? Right now it is 8:11. Guys, the Honda is on top of the curb. I thought he just pulled him over. I was like, oh, he pulled someone over because I saw like a car over there. But then I realized, wait, the car is on top of the curb. Damn, that's crazy. I wonder what happened. This many people. I thought it was gonna be a little smaller. The last time I came, like, which was like a few months ago, there was people, but there was not that many people like right now. Like there was probably 20 people, no, max 30 or 40. But today I feel like there's like 100. It's a little more nerve-wracking, but you know, we'll see what we do. There's so many cars, and look at this 30. E30. I freaking love E30s. I had to get that for you guys. Oh, look how jam-packed this is. This is crazy. I'm not trying to stall either right here, so. Pretty crazy. It's pretty gnarly. Just me, but I get really excited or happy. I get really happy when I see other modified cars on the street. So put that I'm driving, you know, in my little car, and I see another car, and I'm like, oh my gosh. I get all hyped for them. I don't know why. Whoa, look at that. Oh my god, a McLaren. If I roll back, then I'm gonna hit the Subi behind me. Oh, guys, that was another girl. Whoa, oh my god. Cool. Look at this McLaren. Damn, look at all these people. Okay, cool. Don't know if I'm gonna find parking. Bunch of these. Guys, I just found a super cool car. This is so sick. It's just right hand drive. Whoa, look at all these people though. Z. Is it a boy or a girl?
A boy. Sit.
Oh, so it doesn't bite, right?
No.
He attacks you. Oh, he looks like that bear from that one show. I don't know. No, I don't know. Guys, look at this rotary. What I like about this is that it has a lot of space compared to my car. Look at all this space that you could work on it. Got an NS6 over here. And if I sound a little muffled, it's because I have to wear my mask here. What? Look at this, guys. I want him to air out the other side. What if he starts dancing? Do it again. Oh, this is nice. Oh, look. They're like little brothers. This is so freaking clean. This car over here is freaking beautiful too. Whoa. So dope, guys. Which out of other three, which is your favorite? This is so nice. Oh, cute. This is me. Just kidding. This is so cool.
Hey,
say what's up to the vlog.
How are you?
Don't mean to interrupt. Just stopping by. Thank you. Honestly, I wonder how you even get those. Like, do you have to wait for the army to get those? Or those are sick. That's sick. We got the Z Squad over here. This is where I should have parked, but there was no type of parking. All right, guys. So we about to leave. It is super hot, and I'm hungry and thirsty. Like, there was a lot of people with Starbucks, and it looks so refreshing. Autobots, we rolling out. Got Nelson over here. He's over here in the street. He didn't find no parking over there, which I guess I'm kind of happy because there was so many people that I probably would have got caught up getting out of there, and that would have not passed the vibe check. Ooh, oh my gosh, guys. What the heck? Oh my gosh. Oh no, that's scary. I wonder what happened. It was scraping hella hard. Damn, that sucks. Nelson treating me good right now. I love Nelson. Love you, Nelson. Love you. Oh, got a Z coming out. I heard that. I'm hungry. You guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that thumbs up button and push that subscribe button as well. If you guys made it this far, then make sure to comment the blue car. I'm saying the blue car because I know that Ash had a blue Subi, so I'm like, let's do the emoji today in honor of her blue Subi. So go ahead and comment the blue emoji car. Before we end off this video, I do want to give out a post notification shout out, and I also want to tell you guys about my new car. I already have it. I bought it already, and I cannot wait to show you guys. I'm not gonna tell you yet, so you guys gotta stay tuned for my next videos, but I will give you I guess a little hint, and that is that it is an old little bucket. Okay, that's all I'm telling you guys. I'm just going to fix up and make it look sick, hopefully. Fingers crossed. Nah, I will make it sick. Before we end off this video, I do want to give out a post notification shout out, and that goes out to Slim Stephanie. Thank you so much for being the first to comment and turning on your post notifications. If you guys want a shout out, you guys know what to do. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Have a wonderful day or night or morning. Peace.
Bucket that in, oh yeah. Got a pipe full of red.